What's the meaning of cutie? Cutie. Cutie.
Cutie. Cutie. Cutie is a term of endearment used to refer to someone or something that is cute or attractive in a charming way. It is often used to describe babies, children, or romantic partners. The word implies a sense of affection and warmth towards the person or object being referred to. In popular culture, cutie can also refer to fictional characters or animals that are designed to be visually appealing and lovable. Overall, cutie is a playful and light-hearted term that expresses fondness and admiration.